Hi guys, welcome to our part 2 on how to put a contact form on our website. So the first part, we did download the plugin and we installed the plugin. So now the second part, we can still go back to plugins. Remember, it's active. So what you do, you can look for it. It's called what? It's called contact form. You just say settings. So remember, we said you put this, the email you want the emails to go to when somebody sends you the email. I think we saw that part. So this is what they call the shortcode. This is what you copy here and go to your website and click on contact. Then you edit that page. So when you're editing that page, you just press and copy paste that shortcode there. After pasting that, we can go and save and say just code. We can see if you click on contact, you can see we have our page, our contact. Let's try it. Name, address, subject, I'm testing. Then you put in something and say, hi, my name is Mr. Tester to test your website. Then you say submit. When you say submit, what happens? It says, please make corrections below and try again. Name, put many, say at gmail.com. What's wrong here? I don't see anything wrong. I wonder what's going wrong here. But anyway, spread love. Okay, let's see. Let's try to. Oh, I think the email was wrong. King at gmail.com. Yes, the email was wrong. Submit. Yes, you see what it said? Thank you for contacting us. So what we're gonna do, the plugins, everything is fine. We go to Gmail. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, and also please try to you see, you might not receive your emails here in the inbox, but when you click here, you can see we got it from just code from our website. I'm testing. If you click here, you can see what it says. Subject, I'm testing. Hi, my name. You see, yeah guys, this is the end of our tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, please comment in the comment box below. We'll be back to you soon as we receive the email, the message. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, this is the end of our part 2 on our contact form. Yeah guys, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share. So remember, this is the shortcut we got, and you know we'll get it. So don't forget anything. If you feel like you're forgetting anything, you just go and rewind the video, and you'll see how we've done that. It's a simple thing to do. It doesn't take you much, and there's no need for coding, and also you can customize if you want to. Yeah, you play with the plugin. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.